Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Now this video is about teaching you how to create the bullet time scene effect with Higgsfield AI, and this particular effect just allows your products to be at the center of a bullet time spinning area, more like to show you like the galaxies. And also we can see a sample of the product here, and we can see a sample of the video and image created. This is just next level. Honestly, Higgsfield is not being given enough credit for the kind of stuff they put out. And here is how to create this particular effect for your video or for your brand. All you have to do is go to this website higgsfield.ai, scroll and choose the Higgsfield app after signing in, then scroll and choose the bullet time scene. You'll be brought to a page like this where all you have to do is to upload your product or the image you want to use for your promo. Then click on generate image and a static image will be generated for you. But if you want a video like this, click on the video icon here. Then you can see it says it will cost you 15 credits. And a very good thing about this is that you can just create an account and create this particular effect on your go to go. But if you want to create more effects with Higgsfield AI, I would suggest you go for the premium option. But once you're done with selecting the type you want, just click on generate video or image and your video will be ready for download. It will be somewhat similar to this or any other effect you choose. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel as we